We are back in the garage today and we have a big project. We are taking on a Chevy Malibu. Now, the way it works in the Laughlin house, my kids like their cars really nice. And so I promised my one son a free interior detail and no expiration date and a day of your choice. So today is the day. So the Neil Laughlin YouTube channel is going to take on detailing the interior of a Chevy Malibu. Now, for you in the Midwest, you'll recognize the road salt and the grime. Obviously, this car has been through a couple Michigan winters. He keeps it clean throughout the year, but this time it's just due for a nice detailing. So we're going to go through it. You can see there's lots of room for improvement. I think this passenger seat has some staining in it. So we'll get that all taken care of, get the carpets shampooed, and you can see the console's got a lot of crud and the dash. So we're going to get this car looking really spiffy. So let's get started. Oh, check out the jams. Jams are dirty. And so we will get this thing looking solid. And just for reference, I'm a big fan of Chemical Guys products. I'm not sponsored, obviously, with my almost 500 subscribers. They're not beating down my door to sponsor me, but I don't care. Their stuff is really good, and I use it for everything. I use it for polishing and carpet cleaning and all that, buffing pads. Great, great resource. So that's most of the products I'm going to use today are going to come from Chemical Guys. Here we go. We're going to start off with the shop vac, get the heavy crud out, and we'll go from there. Wow, and this is everything under the floor mat. The floor mat's just an absolute mess. It's going to be a lot of work to get that looking good, but this is everything underneath it. So we got our work cut out for us. So a quick spot check of where we are. We got the heavy crud off. Looking decent, but obviously a long way to go. Got to get the shampooer going. So we have a good start. And the floor mats, let's take a look at those. These are going to be a big challenge. Look at all that salt, Michigan salt from wintertime. That's just burned into the mats. So we're going to have to really soak those, get that salt to dissolve, and scrub them and shampoo them. So a lot of work to do, but we're off to a good start. Here's the driver's floor mat. So we've just used some clean, clear water, some fabric cleaner, and the brush, all from Chemical Guys. And look at that. That is looking good. So we're going to rinse it, and then we're going to use the shampooer to suck all the rest of the dirt out. Got the driver's side floor mat done. It's still wet, but I've scrubbed it, shampooed it 4 or 5 times, sucked all the dirt out, and we got it looking really good. And just for the record, that's what came out of it. That's one floor mat. So yeah, this was due for a cleaning for sure. So now we're going to repeat the process on the next 3. Now we're moving on to the seats. We got a few things to clean up here, but that should be no problem at all. That worked well. Got all the stains out. Just looking nice and fresh. Now we'll give this one a quick clean. So we got the seat done and the front carpet on this side. So now the floor mats are dry and we'll put them back in. Cleaned up the jams and the trim, a little bit of the dash. So we'll keep on moving. Making progress on the trim panels, door panels, the dash. Got that looking pretty good. I've made it over to the center console. I've not done the other gauges. Got all this cleaned up inside the armrest. All that's done. I still got a shampoo carpet on this side, but this side's looking good. Got to do a little more tidying up on the driver's side. Still drying, but we got the top of the dash, rest of the center stack, all that stuff cleaned up. It's funny, as soon as you get done, you'll find another little something, but I think that's good. So back to carpet. I think we got the front done. Pretty happy with everything. Floor mats are outside drying. I think we got the rest of this looking decent. So now we're going to finish up the back seat. As my good friend and mentor Ted Flack used to always tell me, you always got to do the door jambs. And this is why. 10 seconds to do that. And it just makes a world of difference. And there we got the back seat done. Got the seats and the carpet and all the console. So overall, I think we're in pretty good shape. So I think now we will let the floor mats dry. We'll put those in and then we'll pull her out of the garage. Now that we've got the interior done, we just can't send this car out with road film on it.
No way.
So we are going to take a few moments and we're going to tidy up the outside. We're not going to buff it and wet sand it and do all that, but we will give it a nice clean and get this road grime off of it. So when she leaves, she looks really good. And with that, we are done. So we went around the outside and washed it, and I used a little buffing compound, cleaned up some imperfections, some little road rash, but not much. Cleaned the tires. Just gave it a good tidy up, so not bad. This is over 100,000 miles, and it's running good. So there you go, Scotty. Merry Christmas, about 6 months late, but she's all done. Fun project. So be sure to stop by Neil's Malibu Emporium. We always have a nice selection of clean used vehicles in great shape. So a full day of work detailing, had to do a lot of finessing on the paint, filled in some paint defects, cleaned all the glass, and of course did the interior. So she is ready to go back. Nice car. So I think we are done for the day.